Today I'm going to show you how to do a little paper spaceship. Regular paper, 9 by 12, 8.5 by 11 will work just fine. Take and fold it in the hot dog fashion or a long skinny rectangle. Match your corners and crease it. Doesn't matter which end you start with, but what you're going to do is bring this over to the edge, bring it to a point, crease it down, open it up, and do the same on the other side. Nice strong crease. And what you're going to do then is open it up, and you see your little X here. You're going to guide this to the inside and then bring this down and flatten it and recrease. Same thing with the other end. Both pieces. I'm going to fold it in one diagonal fold, make a triangle at the end, open it up, catch the other point. Make sure you've reached the end of your paper and you have a nice sharp point in the edge. Have that X, just kind of start bringing those in to the center flat and then guiding your little point here because you want it to be a nice point. Sometimes you have to go up to the top like that and bring it down and crease it so it looks like this. Now what you're going to do is pick up these two little flaps and you're just going to take the flat end and tuck it all the way to the edge so you can't go any farther. Bring it back down and bring up these two flaps just like this. So it looks like you have two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Crease it. Now your top one, you're going to bring down from the point and make sure it goes right in the middle there. Like that, so you can kind of use this as a guideline. Like that. And you're going to bring this piece up, to about here. So you're going to leave another inch. It's going to depend on how big your paper is, but you're going to bring that up and crease it. And then what you're going to do is you kind of have two little tuck-in areas here and here. So what you're going to do is slightly pick up on this, bring this tab down, and tuck that in. So that's going to hold it. Once again, bring this up, reach down below, bring this back out, and tuck it in. Like that. And then what you can do is the piece that you just folded up, you can bring this down to an edge, kind of give you a fancier top. Make sure your creases are good. Turn it over, and instead of leaving the bottom of your space shuttle or spaceship flat like that, you can also take the bottom edge like this, and there you have your spaceship. And you want to jazz it up. Just bring your fins up a little bit there, and there you go. Have a great time. Thanks.